What are you doing? I was getting ready in Mommy's bathroom, and then I came to find you, and this is where I found you. How'd you get up there? Huh? How'd you get up there? What are you eating? Mints?
Yeah.
Are you supposed to be on the counter?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Without a big person?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Are you a turkey?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Sitting on the counter?
Are you?
Yeah.
By yourself?
Yeah.
You were in the dark. Hey, are you having those for breakfast?
Yeah.
Mints for breakfast?
Yeah.
Where's your speckles? Are they all gone?
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
What are you doing?
I'm so happy your speckles are all gone.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Jessica.
I hear it.
There's more.
Do you need to go see it? How do you get down?
How?
How?
You in the ball.
Yeah. Do you need some help?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Bye-bye.